Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now, in this session, we will be discussing how to obtain the Fourier series of the given function, which is double-valued function, and it is having an interval between 0 to 2 pi. Previously, when the interval was between minus pi to plus pi, after checking out the odd and even function, to check it out the odd and even function, we replaced x by minus x. But here, since this interval is between 0 to 2 pi, so we are going to replace x by 2 pi minus x. Therefore, what do we do first? First, we write the Fourier series of f of x, which is having a period 2 pi, is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of an into cos nx plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of bn into sin nx. I will be calling it as equation number 1. Since we have decided to check it out its nature of the given function, so since it's a double valued function, so first function will be taken as a pi of x, which is nothing but x square. Second function will be taken as xi of x, which is nothing but minus 2 pi minus x the whole square. Since the given range is between 0 to 2 pi, so x is going to be replaced by 2 pi minus x. This is the case. Therefore, pi of x is going to be replaced by 2 pi minus x. Therefore, it becomes x will be replaced by 2 pi minus x square as it is. But if we check it out, it's with xi of x. Here we can see we have same function but with opposite sign. Therefore, I can say this is nothing but minus xi of x. Since we know the condition where if first function remains same as second function with opposite sign, then the function is odd. Therefore, the function f of x is odd. If the function f of x is odd, then a0 is equal to 0 and an is also equal to 0 straight away. Fine. Then we need to calculate only bn. Only bn. Therefore, let us calculate the value of bn now. How do you calculate the value of bn? With the formula, that is 2 by pi integration between 0 to pi f of x into sin nx with respect to x. Therefore, 2 divided by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x. Now tell me, what is f of x? Here we have double valued function. Both are f of x, but which one we need to choose? We need to choose the function which is between 0 to pi. You can see this is between 0 to pi, which is x square. This is between pi to 2 pi. This cannot be taken. So only we need to choose a function between 0 to pi. Means what happens here? The function between 0 to 2 pi is split into two parts. Okay. One is from 0 to pi, other one is from pi to 2 pi. But we need 0 to pi. Means here it is x square. Here it is minus 2 pi minus x the square. So we need to choose this. Therefore, the function will be taken as x square. This into sin nx with respect to x. Okay. Since this is the product of two functions, so it can be solved by applying generalized Bernoulli rule. Generalized Bernoulli rule. Therefore, bn is equal to 2 divided by pi in these two we can see this is first function, this is second function. So x square as a first function into integration of the second function becomes cos nx divided by n minus differentiation of the first function is 2x, integration of the second function once again is minus sin nx divided by n into n square, plus differentiation of the first function once again will be 2, then integration of the second function minus, so integration of sine will be minus, minus of minus plus cos nx divided by n cube between 0 to pi. Fine. Therefore Bn is equal to, again due to the limit sine term becomes 0, therefore 2 divided by pi into minus 1 divided by n will be taken out, then here x square into cos nx between 0 to pi, this is gone, then here it is 2 divided by n cube into cos nx between 0 to pi. Fine. So Bn is equal to 2 divided by pi into minus 1 by n. Substitute upper and lower limit, it becomes pi square into cos n pi minus 0 into anything 0, plus 2 divided by n cube into upper limit cos n pi minus cos 0. Fine. Therefore this is equal to 2 divided by pi into this is pi square cos n pi divided by n along with minus sign. Okay, then here it is plus 2 divided by n cube into cos n pi minus 1. Fine. Therefore this is equal to, if you take 2 divided by pi into minus pi square, this is minus 1 raised to n divided by n, plus 2 divided by n cube, this I'll take split up the terms, minus 1 raised to n, then minus 2 divided by n cube. Fine. From here if you pick up the terms, common terms, if you take up split up the terms, then it is 2 pi into this first term, pi get cancelled, then we will be getting minus 2 pi into minus 1 raised to n divided by n. Okay, plus from here if you take 2 into 2, it will be 4 divided by pi into n cube into minus 1 raised to n, then minus 4 divided by n cube. Okay, similarly Bn is equal to minus, to avoid this minus we take minus 1 raised to 1 into minus 1 raised to n, then it becomes 2 pi divided by n into minus 1 raised to n plus 1, plus here if you take 4 divided by n cube common, then inside the bracket we will be getting minus 1 raised to n minus 1 raised to here again pi will be taken common, minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Okay, therefore substitute the value of a naught equal to 0, an equal to 0 and bn in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 becomes f of x is equal to a0 0, an 0. Okay, so summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of bn. What is bn? Bn is this whole thing, that is 2 pi divided by n into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 plus 4 divided by pi into n cube into minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into sine nx. So this is the required Fourier series. Thank you.